Hi guys, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much and you're welcome. Click on the subscribe button to join the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how I started my YouTube channel just using my mobile phone. I'm shooting on my mobile phone with my tripod stand, and I'm sitting by my window side so as to get light. So without wasting much time, I'll just drop some tips on how you can get started first. Then I will show you guys, I'll share my screen with you guys, the process. My first tip on starting up a YouTube channel is, if you want to start up a new YouTube channel, it's advisable you create a new Gmail account for your new YouTube channel. Secondly, you have to get the YouTube app on your mobile phone, and there's another app, the YouTube Studio app. Make sure you have these two apps. Not all, some phone comes with the YouTube app but some doesn't. So if your own doesn't have a YouTube app, make sure you download and then you get the YouTube Studio app also. My third point should be, get your first video filmed, edited, and get your video ready. If at all you can make it up to 5 videos before opening a channel, good and fine. Or get your first video ready before opening a YouTube account, a YouTube channel. Then the last thing on my list here, like I said before, you don't need to break a bank to start up. Your mobile phone can do, just get the natural light and you can film your video. Yeah, so but if you have the money, that's fine. There's no harm in starting big, you get. Yeah, so I think that's enough talking for this video. Let me show you guys how you can upload your first video, how you can create a channel and upload your first video. So I'll be sharing my screen with you guys. Okay guys, once you enter your YouTube app, just click here and click on this arrow. All the Gmail accounts you have on your phone will appear on this page. Then you have to select the one that you want to use. As you can see, this is my other accounts that are showing no channel. Oh, this one is, the last one is showing no subscriber. So okay, let's just use the XOXO social, the one that is showing no channel. So I click on that and this page appears. I went back to click on the E. After my name, you can see create a channel, so I tap on that. So here from this page you can add your picture. I'll be using this picture, set as profile picture. Then from here, from this pen icon where you see name, you can from here edit your name. Let me just put it Coco. You can use any name of your choice depending on your niche, or if you want it to be personal. Let me just put it Coco's Diary, and I save. Then my handle, you can edit it as well. Maybe let me just leave it as Coco's Diary 85 and save. So after editing those, I went ahead to click on create channel. Yeah, as you can see, my channel is created. Yeah, it's that simple. So what you want to do here is to click on the plus sign and upload a video. You can see create a short, upload a video, go live together. So it's left for you to choose what you want to do. So here I'm uploading my first video. and this is the video I want to upload. Please don't mind all this thing, I just did a quick video to show you guys. Click on next and create title. Let's title this welcome to my channel. Then you click next. Okay, this section they're asking, is this video made for kids? If it's made for kids, you select. If it's not, then I went on ahead to say no, it's not meant for kids. Then I upload. Okay, let's go over to the YouTube Studio app. Same thing applies here. You click on this arrow to see the account that you have with YouTube. So I click on Coco's Diary. As you can see, everything is just in 000. So I went on to go to content and okay, so now the video is now uploaded to the new YouTube account, and once you click here, you can see the visibility is unlisted, then restriction none, analytics, yada. So what you want to do is to click on this pen icon here and add your description. Very important. So let me just write this. Okay, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Please click on the subscribe button to join the fan. Much love. Okay, you can add this to your description, and as you can see down here, you have up to 5,000 words to put in there. Well, let me just stop here. So once you click, you go back. Then before your video can be made seen to the public and all that, you come to this visibility and then put it to public. Yeah, if you didn't put it to public, it won't be published. It will be uploaded, but nobody can view it. Maybe only you or people you share the link to. So you have to come to your studio to put it to public. So I've set it to public. The audience is still not meant for kids. Then if you have a playlist or you want to create a playlist, from here you can create your playlist, and from here you can add your tags. You can add to any category that you want. Then any comments, just play around and set up. Then once you're done and you click save, your video will be public on the YouTube. So if I should use another account now to go and search for Coco's Diary, let me check. Okay, let me use my main account to search for Coco's Diary. Okay, from here you can see.
Yeah, you're welcome to my channel. Please stay by subscribing, support the girl, and show love to my channel to your people. Yeah, and I'll be coming up with a new video soon. So stay to the channel. The channel is about beauty, lifestyle, DIY, yes. So I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.
So that's basically it, guys, on how you can create your channel on your mobile phone. Yeah, so if you have any question that you want to ask, please leave your question in the comment section. I will get to that. And yeah, for those of you that are here and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscription is free. If you're yet to go and see my other videos, please do well to, when you see them, give my videos thumbs up, and yeah, leave a comment if you have anything to say. And I think that will bring us to the end of this video. Let me know the kind of video that you guys would like to see from me. I do beauty videos, lifestyle, and yeah, this new playlist that I just started, this is just starting off on your mobile phone. So I'll be doing lots of things I learned from YouTube. I'll be putting it out here. It will be in one playlist, so watch out for that also. So I think that's basically it for now, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Kisses, bye.